Yesterday.
Finally landed last night.
Yeah.
Today we're flying out to Okinawa. Already.
Yeah, already.
There's a hurricane coming, man.
Oh no, I'm so scared. I want to go to the beach.
Oh! Yo, what are you doing?
I'm pooping on the floor.
Where are we?
We're at Haneda Kuko.
It's freaking loud over here. Let's go, man. Look at this sick pumpkin right here. Sick pumpkin's coming with us.
Yeah, should be.
Let's do it.
Let's do that.
Alright, let's go.
1, 2,
No. No, let me show you.
あいちゃん、違う生き物になった。
はいはい。エミリさんのも来たね。
美味しい。
好きなの来たよ。
海苔だけ食べて。
どこ行くの？ありちゃんどこ行きたかったの？隣にはメルセデスの展示車。マミこれ欲しい。
マミ、皆さん、ちょっとそれはあんまり関係してないものだから大丈夫。はいはい、次行きましょう。
出た。1132万円。全然無理っぽ。
Now we go faster. Listen, don't mess up, don't mess up.
Keep faster.
Sorry, Emily.
You just hit this wooden spot right here, dude.
We love it. It's like the best hotel we went in our lives.
I wouldn't say that, but
It is your pajamas.
Okay.
who's sleeping here tonight?
Me. No, us. Me and Alyssa.
Let's check this out.
What?
This weather sucks.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
If we fall off of here, we're gonna be dead.
We're not gonna fall. What do you want to do today?
I want to go to snorkeling.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alyssa. Hey, Alyssa. So,
Hi guys.
はいはい。これからどこに行くでしょうか？
Beach.
ビーチ？Yes。天気が悪くて台風来てますが。
We're gonna go to the beach anyway.
Yeah, we don't care about weather. We just go.
そうだね。
Go, go,
台
go, go.
風
Have
も
fun. The important thing about pool, about umi, is to have fun.
今日ね、シュノーケリングできたらやるんだけど、泳いでこうやって泳ぎながらソーセージをパラパラパラパラパラって少しずつ上げてたら、お魚がママの指をソーセージだと思ってお魚がパカッてここやられたの。ってなっちゃったの。そこ同じママが昔その事件が起こったちょびっとね、同じビーチに今から行きます。
Perfect weather for snorkeling and the beach. Let's do it.
何やってんの
Let's get it.
晴れよ。
天気の子やってんの
Hey, it's not happening. Okay.
ママさん See?
Oh, maybe this is a Yanukari or shell.
これをやるのヤドカリ is right here!
This is a Yanukari. I touched the Yanukari shell.
もうダディ入ってる件についてどうしたらいいママは今日風邪ひいてるから海入らないけどどんなお魚がいたか後で教えてソーセージ持ったありちゃんお魚の餌ちょっと待ってはいわ来たわよお魚の餌
Hey. してください。Your face under the water. And then breathe through your popo. And then after that, there was even a bigger one that came out. Did you see that? He was like purple and brown.
Yeah, another bigger one of that one.
Really?
Yeah, it was on the ground. And then
Oh.
I saw like a little fish making a hole. It was
Really?
digging a hole with his head. Can we go again?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
But hold on a second. I used up all my sausage.
Yanukari-kun.
Hello, yellow curry. Hello.
Oh, Yanukari.
I found this like really good spot in that little corner. So let's go check it out, okay? When you guys were surrounded by fish, were you scared?
Yeah.
Why?
Because the fish is scary. Because one fish had a really big eye, so it was so cool. It's like the one that's like brown and then like white, and then it has like this line got out, right? Yeah.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh! Ew!
Listen, stop digging all this stuff out of the sand.
えみありちゃん、綺麗なシェルが見つかりましたか？
まだいっぱい。もっともっと綺麗なやつを探して。
どれ手に持ってるやつは？わあ、綺麗だね。
I've been hungry for like 3 hours now, and I get the grape soda flavor. Let's go eat something. Would you like to go eat something? honey?
Yeah, I'm so starving.
Like what?
Like sushi or the sushi. We can eat the sushi in Tokyo.
Sushi's actually not going to be that good. Today's dinner right here. Fresh meat ganaha.
上カルビ、和牛上ロース。両方いっちゃうよ。はい、おしぼりどうぞ。
Alyssa, you can try cooking too for the first time.
おしぼりって何？
おしぼり知らない。
沖縄に来てなぜかアメリカンビーフを食べる。Come on, man. おしぼり。
知らないらしい。
おしぼり is that thing you're using right now. It's a wet towel. Hey, not like that. Hey, no. 汚い。汚いやつだ。特上タンと特上カルビ。
はい、今日のハイライトはなんだっけ、和牛炙り寿司1貫324円でございます。
Dude, it's 高い。
Remedy, your left shoulder is like completely exposing,
I
like
wanna
sexy.
get it. I wanna get it.
これピンクソルトね。ちょっとだけわかめじゃないや。
いつからこれ食レポのチャンネルになったのこれ。
わさびね。行くよ。
食レポのチャンネルじゃねえぞここ。
いただきます。
えみあり TV。
牛炙り寿司。
ママがうまい牛食べるチャンネルじゃないんだけどこれ。これ自分のチャンネルでやってもらっていいですか？
おいしい。
We're the main character.
Yeah, see?
The, I
I'm very character too.
No.
no.
So many mommies fun there. Okay.
Mommy, did you know that E Mi Ali TV? It says E Mi Ali TV.
Amy, Ali, and mommy TV, right?
No.
It's E Mi Ali TV, not Mommy.
Yeah.
Emily and me is the main character.
It's stacked up like. Thank you.
Thank you.